Another attraction at Corn Creek is the refugium, which is defined as an area in which a population of organisms can survive through a period of unfavorable conditions. If you are lucky, you might be able to see a real live endangered species of fish that can only be found in Nevada, the Pahrump Poolfish. Empatrichthys latos, the scientific name, is the only remaining member of that genus in the entire world. It should not be confused with the Ash Meadows devil's hole pupfish or the Cyprinodon diabolus. As the name implies, the poolfish originated in the Pahrump Valley near Las Vegas, Nevada, a long time ago, when much of the area was covered by a huge lake. As the climate changed and the lakes evaporated, these little fish were gradually confined to isolated pools fed by springs. Eventually, reduction in groundwater due to advancing civilization caused their habitat to dry up, thus threatening total extinction of these fish. This resulted in a rescue effort beginning in 1971 that continues to this day. It has been on the endangered species list since 1967. The Desert Wildlife Refuge at Corn Creek, one of the 4 sites designated to rehabilitate this species, received 29 poolfish from the dwindling Mance Spring in Pahrump, Nevada in 1971. The population thrived until the illegal introduction of bullfrogs and crayfish and other predators occurred in the late 1990s. By 1998, there were only 3 fish remaining, and then there were none. In 2003, after reconstruction of the pond and elimination of the predators, 120 fish were placed into a newly built refugium where they continue to thrive. More recently, the poolfish have been reintroduced into the main pond and seem to be thriving. The other refuge sites for the poolfish are Lake Harriet at Spring Mountain Ranch State Park in Red Rock Canyon and the Shoshone Ponds near Ely, Nevada. Both of these sites have likewise experienced significant depletions in their poolfish populations due to vandalism and illegal introduction of predator species. In 2018, a new refuge was established at the ponds at the Springs Preserve in Las Vegas. The Pahrump poolfish is sexually dimorphic, the females being slightly larger than the males. The maximum length of these fish is about 7 centimeters. The dorsal and anal fins lie far back on the body than most fish, and it lacks pelvic fins. The head is depressed in the front, and the mouth is wide with unequal jaws, the lower jaw projecting farther out than the upper jaw. The fish have a greenish-brown color on the back with dark splotches, and is silvery green on the belly. The male takes on a blue tinge during the spawning season. The Pahrump Poolfish is long-lived for a small-bodied fish with ages ranging up to 10 years for females and 7 years for males. Now let's take a look at the refugium and try to catch a glimpse of the poolfish. I'm not seeing very much here. Let's check over here. Oh, these are the sort of stair-step things they were talking about, and there are some of the fish right down there. You can see them swimming around. I guess they like it down there more. Oh, here you can see them better because this window is down at the bottom. But they seem to be running away from me at present.